Hello friends, today we will talk about one of the great company that is Gujarat Ambuja Export Limited. This company is a manufacturer and producer of cotton, corn starch derivative, soya derivative, feed ingredients, cotton yarn and edible oil. This company is a manufacturer and producer of all these product, and one of the high margin product which is Maida processing unit is also one of the great product of this company, and the company export all this product to 100 plus country. Means the revenue from domestic sale is 70% and the revenue from export sale is 30%, and the company is one of the high margin product that is Maida processing unit. It has a capacity to produce 4,000 tons per day, and the company is already in expansion mood because the company already decided to expand its Maida processing product from 4,000 tons per day to 6,000 per day by 2025, and the company is also decided to launch its a new product that is starch fermentation, which also have higher margin than any other product by 2025. So if you are deciding to invest for 2 or 3 years your ideal funds, you can consider this share is the best option, because by 2025 it will increase its capacity, it will also launch new product. So by 2025-2026 the share price from 368 will go to go to up to 700 or 800 or maybe 1000. So you may consider this as a best option for next 2 or 3 years. The promoters holding is 64% and the foreign institutional investor also holding 5%, and the ROE, return on equity and return on capital employed is 17% and 18% also. The market capitalization is also very good, 8,400 crore near about, and book value is only 112 rupees, and the current market price is 368. So there is more chance to grow by the share price of this company. So if you are considering to invest for next 3 years in any share, you can consider this share is the best option. The company has 4 plants which is located at Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Karnataka and Maharashtra, and the company is already planning to expand its capacity and to launch new product, and for this the company is already decided to spend 1000 crore over next 5 years. So this share can go to up to 1000 or 1200 or 1500 from current price of rupees 368. So you can invest in these shares, but please read instruction carefully in the description chart before investing, because I will not responsible for any profit or loss. And if you like this video, if you like this analysis, please share with your friend, family and also relatives, so that they can also get benefit more and more, and they can also become financially free by investing in stock market. So you can consider this is the best option, and please read instruction carefully before investing. Thank you for watching this video, and give some likes if you like video, give some likes and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.